baze bagcwala Dr. Phil ezweni. Hayi baningi Dr. Phil ezweni. Yazi Dr. Phil bagcwele yonke indawo hayi ku social media kuphela. Dr. Phil ngathi bachithwe yibhanoyi basabalele nje Dr. Phil bagcwele yonke indawo. Hayibo. People are just busy diagnosing people these days. Everyone is a psychologist. Everyone is a shrink. Wonke umuntu Dr. Phil. Are they even qualified labo Dr. Phil lab? Are these trained psychologists labo Dr. Phil laba abagcwele la ku social media? You're a narcissist. Hayibo. Usathi uyavika angazi you're toxic. Yes, toxic. Hey. Usathi usabambe loyo toxic loyo uphinde uzwe yini angazi masculine femininity or feminine masculinity angazi something along those lines nje. Hey, phela nesilungu naso siyinkinga bazalwane kodwa siyaxosha sibamba here and there. Dr. Phil uzwe kuthiwa heal. Now these are the words that everyone seems to be throwing around so carelessly. Every 5 seconds, you need to heal. You're going through something. Something is bothering you. Something is eating you up. You need to heal. How? Manje mina ngiyamangala. How? Nabo Dr. Phil, they're busy psychoanalyzing other people. They are busy diagnosing other people. Ngiyazibuza. They need to heal from ini. Okay, if you are going around telling other people that they need to heal, I get confused because are we not all going through something? Don't we all have wounds that we need to heal from? Isn't that the case anymore? Are we not all going through something in this thing called life? Because I used to think that impilo is difficult, and not just for me, but for you, for him, for her, and for everyone. So, labantu laba going around telling people, alishoni langa ku social media ungahlangananga nomuntu etshela omunye you need to heal. Heal sisi. Heal but contact phethe kabi, you are going through something. Are we all not going through something in this thing called life? Don't we? Are we not all trying to heal from something? What makes you think that your life is an exception? What makes you so special that when all is well with your life and you feel you have the right to go around telling people that they need to heal from something? Webo Dr. Phil. Bo Dr. Phil. Abangaqeqeshiwe.